Here's how to remove voice typing from your Samsung keyboard. Now, if you have a Samsung keyboard and you always accidentally tap that little microphone and it just automatically dictates whatever you're saying, you can always turn off that voice typing or dictating. And I'll show you how to do it. You need to hop out of here and then just swipe up and tap on the Settings app on your Android phone. After you've done that, just scroll down and then tap on General Management. And from here, tap on Keyboard. After you've done that, select Keyboard for Samsung. And then scroll down and choose Voice Input. Make sure to switch this to None, but after you've done that, you next need to go back. And at the bottom here, turn off Show Input Method on Navigation Bar. And now if I go back into Google Chrome here, you'll be able to see if I go to type, there won't be that dictate or microphone button anymore. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your feedback down in the comments below. Let me know, was this legitimately helpful for you, or are you still running into issues with your phone? Thanks, guys.